There's two people. The person holding the camera.
I'm with my niece. We're looking at new fishing holes. Yay, yay. And it's my birthday. What? But what were you saying? You can finish your story. I'm sure people on YouTube will think it's cool.
And the person standing in front, and the person standing in front of the back is to you.
Yeah.
They have their arm out like this, and you're reaching out like this to hold their hand, like they're dragging you somewhere.
Yeah.
And that's how they take the picture.
Oh, I am.
Scenery in front of them.
Yeah. I think I might have seen those. There was this one photographer that did something pretty cool like that. This is really neat. Just to show you. Good job. Yes, I could. Some really pretty stuff. And lots of happy places for mosquitoes. But we are not in Alligator Alley, folks. This is wild America. Yuck, yuck, yuck. So this would be the end of our trek. Wait for it. I mean, like, seriously. Yeah, maybe it's brackish. Wow. Look, it's a little alligator. I'm just kidding, it's a leaf. He's so gullible. Gullible, see her looking.
I'm on the hunt, I'm on the prowl.
This is pretty. I can't tell you how cool it is to be in a place where I'm not seeing trash everywhere. Look at the little squirrel. Hello, buddy. How you doing?
How you doing?
Where is he? Where is he? Little squirrel. Ow, Thorn got me. What the heck was that? Nothing. It's a monster. It's a monster, did I tell you? There's bears out here. Ew! Big spider. Don't worry. I walked through it. You're good. No, it's all over me. Happy birthday. Let's go. This way. Oh, we have a split in the animal tracks. Let's go. This way. Short, simple, and most gratifying.
These plants are so pretty back here, too.
Yeah, they really
I
are.
like there should be in a garden.
Yeah, there she is. This is pretty. You see all this? What? We gotta drive by. He's hauling butt. We gonna catch him in the video. Here he comes, y'all. Wake it up. Oh, it's so pretty. We're off to see the wizard. The wizard in the woods. What you find, girl? Uh-oh. You found spiders, didn't you? Is it a dead end? Oh. Well, thanks for letting us know. Save me a trip. That's a spider, y'all. No? Nope, I think you're good. Alright, clean him out for me. Keep going. Keep going. Camera got too hot, but end of the trek. This is what we have found. Rope swing. Nice little private hole. A tanning bench. This is pretty cool. Marty Stouffer over here has got me on a adventure in wild America. So, here comes the beast herself.